Hello guys, it's Ray J, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10. So I have finally got the S10 and I've got it on release. I did pre-order this device and I went ahead with it purely because I really like the look of this phone. I've seen a few reviews online. I'm sure many of you have as well because it's been absolutely everywhere. I managed to get a pretty good deal on a contract. I did switch to another provider due to this because I did manage to get some percentage off. I just thought, you know what, I'm going to treat myself. I'm going to get myself the S10. I'm currently filming this video on my Samsung Galaxy S7 as well. The Samsung Galaxy phones are really versatile. They're great phones. I absolutely love them. I'm a big fan of Samsung. You may have guessed it. So yeah, it's just going to be quite a big jump because I've not actually used an Edge display or in the Infinity O display, for example. And also software keys. I'm used to the hardware buttons and capacitive buttons, so that's that. It is 128 gigabytes base model, 8 gigabytes of RAM, octa-core processor, it's HDR plus 10 display, and it's got the little cutout for the camera. It's the standard S10. So I know a lot of people in the review market have the Plus variant, but I always generally go for the standard phones, to be fair. I'm terrible at opening these packages on camera sometimes. Oh, there we go, look at that. Oh, I like how that's kind of pearlescent too. Oh, that's really nice. Anyway, let's get open this box. Alright, it's time guys. We can now open this up. There we go. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Thought it would have been like that, but it's actually placed up on the top of the box. Let's just not look at the phone just yet, even though it's very tempting. Let's just see what we've got in here. We've got the eject pin. We'll need that for putting the SIM card in, and I imagine in here we've got manuals. Yeah, nothing else apart from the pin and quick start guide. It's probably a good idea to have a look at that, just the battery. Otherwise, pop them away somewhere. You don't really need them. Got your warranty card. Right. Oh, look at that. That looks lovely. That looks lovely. Let's take it out. Ooh. That's very nice. That feels good. Power button is pretty high up. Gotta be honest. But that's a good feeling size, you know. I've got quite big hands anyway, so that feels pretty good. It feels light as well. It feels nice. Guessing that's where there's a cutout for, say, the wireless charging NFC. I imagine. I don't know why they would cut that out. Otherwise, it's a bit odd. It's just square. I'm gonna leave these all on for now. Yeah, this looks great. I mean, look at it. Very nice. Got your headphone jack. You got USB-C right there. You got the Bixby button. Again, never had the Samsung with a Bixby button because I've got the S7. Right, so we're gonna put this on the side for now. There, and let's see what else we've got. Oh, very nice. So I went for the black version, so that's really cool. The continuity, everything else is black. That's slick. And I like the brown markings there as well. That's nice. So this is another adaptive fast charger by Samsung. It's not extremely quick like the Huawei or Huawei Mate 20 Pro with its 40-watt charger, I believe. But it's, you know, it's still fast, and I mean on the S7 it's been really quick for me, and I've loved it. So we've got that. Next we have the OGT, is it? Adapter, I believe. OTG maybe adapter. So USB-C, plug it into the phone. USB, you can basically put like a USB dongle in there, like for backup storage. Say you've got musical films, you want to take it. You're on a coach, you're on a train, you want to watch some films. I mean, you're not going to need it really with the 128 gigabyte storage and expandable storage, but it's definitely useful. Maybe you want to put a hard drive on. It's good that they include this, basically. I'm happy, you know. And the reason I go for Samsung phones is generally they're great phones, they're made really nice, they've got new features on them that are cool. And then they basically have absolutely everything you need in a phone. They tick all my boxes, you know, as MKBHD basically says, Marquez Brownlee. He says, you know, the 5 pillars of a smartphone, you know, to make it a good smartphone. And I don't know why I was doing the Donald Trump thing there. But he basically says, you know, this ticks all the boxes. And in general, yeah, he's right. Definitely does. So, here's the cable. Packaged tightly in there. Oh, we've also got an adapter. Is that for a micro USB? Quality. So that's good. Got USB to micro USB. With my S7, it was the other way around. So that's really useful again. You know, they give you all these things, which is great. Here we have the cable. So that's a USB cable. This will be your data cable and your fast charging cable. Looks nice. Again, all black. Happy with that. And we also have AKG headphones. Now I know that AKG are really good, and these headphones are supposedly meant to be really nice as well. I've always been kind of happy with the Samsung headphones, but you know, the stock ones I thought they were pretty good. It's nice to know that I've got AKG, and by the looks of things, these are braided too, which is awesome. The thing is though, in about 14 days, I don't really know how often I'm going to use these because I pre-ordered this phone, and basically I get the Galaxy Buds free. So that was another perk of kind of pre-ordering it, apart from actually getting it on release day. You know what? Me being me, I've made it very difficult for myself. And we've got some spare earbud thingamajiggies, especially if you've got like bigger internal earbuds or smaller. They were useful. Yeah, that's nice that they're braided. It's a shame that these bits aren't braided, but like the main part of the cable's braided, which is really cool. And here we have the earbuds themselves. I'm going to test these out when I go for a walk. I will confirm on my Twitter how good they are. Let's power this on. So I apologise about the view. Usually, as you know, I'll have quite a big desk view, but I've recently moved about somewhat, and I'm using a little Manfrotto tripod. It's like tiny with the S7 on top. I would have used my G7 Panasonic DSLR, but I don't think this would deal with the weight and will probably mid-video topple over, so that would be sucky. Just to let you know, when you turn it on for the first time, you get a nice haptic feedback. Oh, darn. Oh, darn, that looks good. There we go. Give it enough pressure, it'll pop out. And here is the tray. So basically, if you wanted to, you could put two SIMs in here. To get this closer up. SIM 1 down there, and SIM 2 here. Or you just have SIM 1 and micro SD card, which is what I normally do. But currently the SD card is being used in this S7 to film this footage. And then after I've done that, I'll pop it in here. Right guys, so from here onwards, I am going to end this unboxing, and I will give you another video. We're overviewing it, you know, and doing a review. I do want to do a review on this device. This looks absolutely awesome. Looks really cool. Crikey. You really have to see it up close and personal to believe me. But this display looks fab. And it's only on white background and I'm just amazed by it. So yeah, guys, that has been my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do leave a like, maybe give me a comment, tell me what you think about the phone. Did you get one? Did you get the Plus? Did you get the E? And yeah, feel free to subscribe if you want to for more tech related content. I should note, generally each week, I'm going to be getting on top of that. I've had a big move, so things have been a bit difficult. And yeah, I will look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Hope you have a fantastic day. This has been Ray J. Have a good one, guys. See you around.